Ever wondered how the Amish make their delicious, creamy butter from scratch? It's simpler than you think. In this video, we'll break it down into 3 easy steps so you can try it at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather fresh cream. The Amish use fresh cream straight from their cows, but don't worry. You can use heavy cream from the store. The fresher, the better. Pour your cream into a large jar or bowl, leaving some space at the top to allow for movement. For the authentic Amish method, use a wooden churner, but a jar with a tight lid works just as well. Step 2. Churn or shake the cream. The Amish rely on hand churners, but you can mimic this process by vigorously shaking your jar of cream. This step takes about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the cream thickening, separating into butter and buttermilk. Once you see a solid lump of butter forming, it's time to stop. Step 3. Rinse and shape your butter. Strain the butter to remove the buttermilk. Don't throw it away. It's great for baking. Rinse the butter under cold water to remove any remaining buttermilk, then knead it to remove excess liquid. Shape your butter into a block pat or any mold you like. For extra flavor, add a pinch of salt, just like the Amish do. And there you have it. Rich, creamy, homemade butter made the Amish way in just 3 simple steps. Give it a try and taste the difference. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your buttery creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching.